What's up, everyone? This is Chris with Barbeque. Well, obviously today I'm not going to be doing any cooking. Instead, what we're going to be doing is an unboxing of this bad boy right here. This is a 28-inch Blackstone. So if we talked, or if you've seen me on the chats, I haven't really put a lot of thought into getting a Blackstone. It's just not my style. I love smoking, I love grilling. I just never really thought I'd want a Blackstone. Well, Black Friday this year changed my mind. This thing was on sale over at Walmart. I think this is the 28-inch 3 burner. Isn't exclusive to Walmart. I can't even find it on the Blackstone website. But Walmart was having a sale on Black Friday. I couldn't pass it up. I wanted a new toy to play with, so that's what I got. So what we're going to be doing today is just an unboxing and just a review of how it's packaged and how it's put together. Because they say you can put it together in about 30 minutes. Well, we'll see. So I'm not going to make you sit through all 30 minutes, but I am going to open it up and see what's inside. And then I'm going to speed you guys up so you can see how it's all put together, but we'll talk about it at the end. All right, so let's get started. I will tell you, this thing was a beast to get here. I had to get a buddy with the truck to help me. But opening it up, I got the instructions. I have to give you a little sticker. Pretty cool. I believe that there's some recipes in here as well. But nice book. In this box, really well packaged, is I think all the different accessories. Got the drip tray, all the casters. There's a handle here. Bracket, so get all that unwrapped. All the edges have thick cardboard, so if the thing was shipping, it's shipped really well. Okay. Right here you got the base all zip tied together and in plastic. Look at that. Look how thick that stuff is. This thing was shipped without any problems. I'm not sure what this is. This up. Okay, it's the bottom of it. Okay. And the very bottom. Yep, that's the heavy part. Okay. Let me show you a trick. So I didn't realize the top of this thing, actually no, the bottom of this thing was also the box. So it's a box cupped inside of another box, kind of like a regular container. Man, this thing is well protected. But so what I'm doing is I'm getting a cardboard surface. So when I start putting it together, I'm gonna lay it on the concrete. But there's no way of avoiding this. Get out of there. There we go. There. There's like 3 different layers of cardboard around this whole thing. It's amazing. There it is. Nestled inside of another box. All right. So there's the label. So let's start building. So sorry for the jerkiness, but I just kind of just take a walk around this thing. It did not take a half hour. It took about an hour. Now, of course, I was trying to keep my workspace clean and also video, so always takes a little longer, but about an hour. So one thing I did notice, there's a little divot right here that was there when I took off the packaging. Kind of sucks, but not a big deal. This thing's nice. I don't see a lot of Blackstones with a lid like that. It's really nice. Paper towel holders, cool. I like that feature. There's lots of things to hang tools on, rags, whatnot. Over here, there's a magnetic bar. You can hang your magnetic stuff. More hooks. Putting the propane tank on was really easy. It kind of just hangs there, and this thing kind of supports it. Just held there by gravity. This thing is kind of just for show. It's empty, so I have to go get. I haven't used gas in almost 2 years, so I just need more fuel. I think it looks nice. Relatively easy to put together. I mean, obviously it'd be a lot easier with a buddy, especially lifting this whole thing up. But you could do it by yourself. I did. Now this thing, because I'm not a Blackstone owner, this kind of threw me through a loop. So there's a hole in that and a hook. So I wasn't sure how this went on there. I didn't know if you like hooked it in here somehow, or there's a screw. But if you look down there, there's a little channel. It kind of just hangs on there like that. I would suggest using, actually they show you, yeah, here. They show you using little cups on the drip pan or grease cup, just to keep it clean. So one thing I will say that I am disappointed with is there's no tools. So there's none of these cool things. Now I have seen some other unboxings of Blackstones, and they supplied at least one of these and a sauce thing and a scraper. So I'm gonna have to go get that stuff. I actually like that kind of scraper myself, and I'll probably get one of these and one that has more of a holes in it. Just yeah, and I actually like the wide spatula, and definitely you want something to smash with. Get some smash burgers going. All right, but this is it, guys. Let me just give you some final thoughts on this thing. One, the casters are awesome. This thing moves around without any problem whatsoever. So if you're thinking about moving it around or traveling with it, shouldn't be a problem at all. The thing's really well built. It was packaged really well. The only confusing thing in the setup happened right here with the paper towel holder, which I'll show you right now. The instructions were kind of unclear on this one. Kind of threw me through a loop for a few minutes, but for attaching the side shelves, you take off the 4 black screws that are on both sides. However, leave the top ones just in but loose, because the shelf has kind of like a keyhole. And basically just slide it on these bolts or nuts, and it holds it in place while you attach everything. I just want to show you from down here. Once you get the one side tightens, for the paper towel holder, you actually use that both of the black screws to hold it in place from the inside. So get all the way tightened on this side, then unloosen that black one to attach the paper towel holder like that. So coming from Walmart, Walmart has a stigma of having inferior products every now and then. I can't say that with this. I mean, this is a Walmart exclusive. I haven't seen this Blackstone cover on anything else. I'm sure they're out there, but I haven't seen it, and I really like this feature. But along with that, that's also the only feature I see that has flaws. On this corner and on this corner, there's little divots in the middle, which I'm okay with. I don't really care, but just wanted to note it. But yeah. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. I don't do these types of videos very often. I don't get a lot of gadgets or toys very often, so When I picked this thing up, I knew I wanted to show you guys exactly how it's found in the box, how you build it, and the experience around it. Stick around. You know I'm going to be playing with this thing. I'm going to be seasoning this thing up. I'm not sure if I'm going to show the seasoning process because I know there's lots of videos out there already. But I'm gonna see. But no matter what, you know I'll be doing some smash burgers, some fried rice, some eggs, bacon, breakfast sandwiches, and things outside the box like I always do. So now I can really say, no matter what you have, no matter how you're gonna do it, just cook it. See ya.